You're grabbing me. Did you try those pants on?
No. I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit. That was like a tent.
That's room for the baby.
He wants your coffee.
That's room for the baby. Huh? That's room for the baby.
He's watching you like, God damn it, give me that.
The baby.
Hey, he wrapped it though.
Oh, he did wrap it?
Yeah.
Oh, he took time out to wrap it. Hey, baby.
Well, I asked him to wrap it.
He wrapped it.
Yeah.
Right on.
And then as soon as I saw it wrapped, I'm like, okay, let me open it.
Kind of like what we did with Ed that one time.
Yeah. Munch.
He's looking for a place to piss.
No, he's not. He's looking for a place to fuck up.
Oh, shit.
Munch. You go outside?
Yep. He's sniffing around.
You go outside? You go outside?
Shit.
Did he shit?
He shit on the floor in the hallway.
He needs to shit because he's over there sniffing around. That's what dogs do.
Mom.
They gotta shit.
Bye, Munch.
Let's go. Let's go see the kitty. Come on.
Shit,
Let's
no.
go see the kitty.
I don't wanna.
Kitty.
Let's go see the kitty.
Go get the kitty. Oh, mommy go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Go. Go. Come on. Go. 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 You're good out there.
Fresh air all over your asshole. The fresh air.